If you're over 40 and you're still waiting for the perfect idea, don't. Just start recording. You can always go back and change your ideas or edit your video. You're ready. Stop overthinking. Hit that record button. Hey, I'm Mr. Mike. This is Create After 40. I've been diagnosed with fibromyalgia. I'm a dad, husband, father, you name it. And I still find time between all that and my pain management to create content, and so can you. Today, I want to remind you that content creation is not about perfection. It's about making millions of mistakes, recording, and fixing everything later. What's the big problem with creating content? Overlooking things. What if I'm awkward? What if nobody watches? What if I mess up? Oh, I've messed up plenty of times. That's why I make the blooper reels now. But let me ask you this question. What if you don't start yesterday? What if you don't start today? And in 6 months, you're still back to where you were thinking about creating content and you still haven't done it? You could have had 6 months of content already. You could have been on your way. You could have had 1,000 followers on YouTube. You could have had 10,000 followers on YouTube. You could have been creating stuff on Instagram, TikTok. Just get going. Don't wait. Does everyone's first video suck? Probably. Really doubt someone's first video was amazing. I really doubt someone's 10th video was amazing. But you know what? I probably would be better than mine. Let's be honest. But I've made countless of gaming videos and countless podcast videos and all kinds of stuff. And I'm still learning and it's fine. And honestly, let's just keep it awkward because that's part of the charm of things. All right, number one, what are we going to do? Keep it simple. Pick one topic you care about the most and talk about it for 60 seconds. And then go back and listen to it and watch it. Don't edit. Don't script it. Just talk. Freelance. I've done that plenty of times, like public speaking. That's really it. This is a short video reminding you that you could just create. It doesn't matter. I'm here to motivate you, and I'm telling you, you can do it. If I can do it and others can do it, you can do it. Creating 40 isn't about catching up with other people. It's about owning your own voice, sharing it, your flaws, and all of it together. If this video gave you that little push to get going and create content, if I motivate you, if I can motivate you anymore, hit that subscribe button, comment below, reach out to me, and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you next time.